Well, hi guys, my name is Emma, and in this video I will tell you more about the strategy based on support and resistance levels. I will tell you everything in detail and explain everything, so prepare your questions, it will be very interesting. And of course guys, I have my Telegram chat. It is closed but very valuable, and I'm inviting you there. You just need to find the link in the description under this video and send me the code word private. There in this Telegram chat I post trading signals with very big profitability of 80-90%, and you can use them in your own trading and close your trades profitable already today. Or if you want to find the reviews about this Telegram chat, I have the Telegram channel where the real guys who are inside this Telegram closed chat send their reviews, send their experiences about these trading signals, about everything, and you can check it yourself and watch everything. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it's very important for this channel, and put your like. Also write in the comments what you want to see in the next episodes. Maybe you have some questions, some ideas, I will consider everything. And now we are ready to start. So hi everyone, today I will show you how I determine the levels and also what time frame I use and how to choose the expiration time. But first of all, I want to tell you that the experience is the most important thing here, because you know that all the citations on the market always repeat, and I always try to find the similar citations that I know very well and work them out. So watch this video to the end. I hope that this strategy will be useful to you and will also apply it in your own trading, because this strategy really helps me to make good money. So today I will show you some options, some variants, and explain them to you. So let's start. So here you can see the period of time for 15 seconds time frame. Now I will change it to the 1 minute time frame, and you can see the picture has changed, but some tops remain in their places. So this level is the same as on 15 seconds time frame and on 1 minute time frame. Well, let's get it back to 15 seconds time frame. So it's the same tops but with greater distance between each other. Well, let's put the horizontal line to set this area. Well, you can see from this level there has been the pull back, and now the price is again approaching this level. Well, and recently there has been an impulsive upward movement and there were some bounces. So, and you can also see the impulsive movement up and the false breakout as well. Then ideally we could have opened the trade in these levels before the breakout of the level. So when approaching the level, you know, in such situations 2 or 3 minutes of expiration time are enough, and you can see the breakout really happened, then a roll back down, and then the price again moves up. So because this is a very great potential for an increase, and also the main price lows are getting higher, and this is the uptrend, and this level is not the main one, you know, it means that it is more likely to be broken through. Well, what time frame to use, it's really up to you. For example, as for me, it's really comfortable for me to use 15 seconds time frame, and means that one candlestick is formed within 15 seconds, and I really consider the price movements on this time frame more impulsive. For example, on 1 minute time frame, the price movements are smoother. You have to watch the price movements on the levels, and of course you should train your memory and get the experience just practicing. So you can see this level was broken through, and then this situation will be enough for us to open a trade for 2 minutes or for 3 minutes. Well, let's look at few more situations and try to determine the price movements. So it's quite good situation. So on this time period, these two tops have formed. Well, let's set a horizontal line for the upper values of this candlestick, so you can see the price has already touched this level, and after 20 minutes it again approached the same top. Well, there was also a rollback, and after that the price again approached the level with very confident candlesticks. Well, let's open a trade for 1 minute wet down, because I think there will be the retracement movement, and from this level there will be the bounce. So in most cases these situations are excellent to work out, and this impulsive approach It really shows that there will be the small rollback, and in this situation 1 minute will be enough because I have already seen such situations and I have worked them out and I closed them profitable. Well, as you can see, there was a small rollback down from this level and 1 minute was quite enough for this. So now we need to watch the price movements a little. Maybe in the near future there will be a rollback down or just will hit the flat zone. So in this situation we can also open a trade without for 3 minutes with a reserve. So the price rolled back to the internal level, then stopped, and you should also pay attention to the price lows. They're getting higher and the general trend is going up. So the price already touched this level 3 times, and I think that in the near future it is more likely to continue its upward movement, and it is also possible that the level will be broken through. So you can see the price roll back down a little. That's why I will open a trade for 3 minutes, and I will also take into account that the price will be falling for some time or will get into the flat zone, but then the upward movement will continue, is more likely to continue because this growth is very strong and it cannot be just suppressed, you know. The price has a very serious intention to break this level through, you know. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the price continued its movement to this level, and right now it has already started to break it through. Well, let's continue with another situation. Well guys, here we should also set the level by the upper values of these candlesticks, and you can also notice there was a good and confident upward movement. The price touched this level 2 times last 30 minutes. So in this situation I will open a trade for 2 minutes with that because the price lows are getting higher here. This is the sticking to the level, and there was also the false breakout. This is the place where the wicks of the candlesticks go beyond the level. So in this situation I think the price will be moving up and break through this level. So I think that 2 minutes will be enough in this situation. And also this time is with the reserve because there can be the flat zone. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the price broke through this level and we have got a very excellent profit. Well, let's look at this situation, how it looks on the 1 minute time frame. So here you can see the level that was broken through, and now on this 1 minute time frame, this is the internal level and there are some another levels higher. So the also price gives their reaction. Well, it is also possible that in the near future the level will be broken through and the price will continue to move to the next level, which is higher. Well, let's go back to the 15 seconds time frame. Well, here you can see from this level there was a rollback, then the price stopped and doesn't fall further. Well, perhaps in the near future it will get into the flat zone, but then the movement up will continue because there was a false breakout. They're going beyond this level. Well, let's open the next trade here for 2 minutes with up movement because the price has very good potential for an increase, and we should also remember this. Well, these levels are internal, and it means that when this is a good uptrend, they are more likely to be broken through. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's not bad. We have got here the flat zone, but nevertheless all trades were closed profitable, although this level hasn't been broken through yet, but I think it will happen in the near future, you know. The longer the uptrend goes on and the longer the price approaches the next upper level, the more difficult for it to go to past these levels, and it is very possible that there will be the reversal very soon. Well, let's find another situation. Well, here's the same currency pair after a while, and as you can see there was a rollback here, but perhaps after rollback the price will continue its upward movement. But the interest payment has fallen here. Well, we need to change the currency pairs. Well, here you can see the price approached impossibly these upper values of these candlesticks. Well, let's open a trade for 1 minute with down movement because the price has impossibly approached this level, and there is a high chance that there will be a roll back down, some kind of retracement movement, because I have already seen such situations and they have worked out this way. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, there was a rollback down and we have got very amazing profits, so this time was enough for us. So let's find another citation. Well, here we can see there was a very confident downtrend. The price has reached a certain point, then there was a rollback upwards. Now we will set the support level here, so you can see there was a rollback from this level, and now the price again approached this level, and now it's sticking to it. So the price highs are getting lower. This is the downtrend. So in this situation, I will also open a trade for 2 minutes red down, because I think that in the near future the price will move down and also can break this level through, because this is a very great potential for a decrease. And even if this level isn't broken through yet, the price will just continue to move down. So guys, let's check it. So guys, it's not bad. The price continued its downward movement and we have got the profit again. So as you can see, the downtrend continued, and also the sticking to the level continued as well. Well, it's possible that this level will be broken through in the near future, but I would like to find another citation. Well guys, here you can see that there was a very good and confident downtrend. The price approached a certain zone and now the price is sticking to this level. You know, the candlesticks are decreasing. Well, let's set a horizontal line here and we'll mark this zone as a support level. Well, this is sticking to this level, it's obvious, and I think the price will just pass this zone, then go down, go lower. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes red down, because I can see here very good potential for a decrease, and also this time is with the reserve, because we should take into account the small flat. So let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. So after the small flat zone, the down movement continued and this level was broken through. Well, we have got a very amazing profit. So such stations are very good and you should just recognize them and work them out. So my deposit is $23,000. So let's find the last trade for today and close it profitable. So let me find something interesting and we will do this. So here you can see the similar situation, but this is the uptrend. So this is the certain upper point where there was a rollback and now the price is again approaching this top. Well, this is the sticking to this level and there is the rollback downwards. Well, in this situation, let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. I think that in this situation the price was also more likely to move upwards, since the price has a very good potential for an increase, and also the price lows are becoming higher. And I have set this time with the reserve because the price can get to the flat zone or will bounce down. So let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, the price continued its upward movement after a bounce down. So this area was broken through. Well, this situation was worked out perfectly and this time was enough for us. So this strategy works great if with the right approach. So now you can see, now you understand how to set these levels. Of course, you have to train, you have to do it yourself, because when you see the video and when you train yourself, it's another experiences. Now you have to understand how to define and set the levels. Of course, it won't be easy for your first time, but if you keep on trading, practicing, you will get better and better. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I also remind you that I have a Telegram closed chat and it is very easy to get into there. You just need to find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. It will be very interesting and useful for you to be inside this Telegram chat, because there I post trading signals, and also this is a very motivating thing for everyone. And also subscribe to the channel, put your like and write in the comments your ideas, your questions and your feedback. And I'll see you next time.